kind of want to show y'all what this Skyjacker 4.5 inch lift looks like. I got it here on a 21 Gladiator Rubicon. It's gonna take you around a minute and show you kind of what the components look like on here. On this lift, I did actually opt for keeping these factory Fox shocks on here, as this is a Rubicon edition here. So I just went with the shock relocation. So with this lift on here, I was actually able to put these 40 1350s on this 4.5 inch lift. Just kind of wanted to show y'all what it kind of looked like. And I'm really happy with this lift. It looks great on here. Everything, insulation was great. And for the money and the value that you get, I don't know, I'm pretty happy keeping the factory Fox shocks on this Rubicon.